Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another video, watch review video. This watch review video is actually on a watch that I kind of wanted to hate, because I do love the OLEVS products so much that it seems like I really have a hard time saying anything bad about them, and I was kind of looking for one that I could say something bad about. This watch was actually, it's listed on Amazon right now for $31 at 20% off. So I will post a link to that below, and that helps out keeping this content coming to you. But I actually purchased this one in the Amazon warehouse. But I'm going to go over this one. I wanted to hate it. I'm going to tell you what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So if you like these videos, give me a like, subscribe, and that'll help me keep these videos coming to you. So here we go. This is the OLEVS. Um, I'm not sure what they call it. It's listed as the OLEVS um, Luminous Quartz. I don't know what they actually call it. This is not an unboxing video, just to be clear. I have already opened it up. I've worn it several times, but I put it back in the box for the video just to show you how it actually, somewhat of how it comes. It's obviously not wrapped in all the plastic. They cover up the watches really well when they ship them, so they're wrapped up in plastic and everything has to be taken off. But this one, I just kind of threw it back in the box and I put the tag on it. But it does come with, obviously it comes with your manual, which will, show you about, tell you about the watch, how to set it, how to adjust things, so on and so forth. And it comes with a protective film, or a protective sponge material, and it also comes with this tag, this OLEVS quality certificate. These watches also come with an adjusting tool, so you can adjust the band and resize it to the way you want. Like I said, I've already resized this one. These are the links that I removed from it. But anyhow, this is the watch, and honestly, I didn't really I didn't really have any high hopes for it, because this watch was actually on the Amazon warehouse, and I got a really good deal on it, because this is a $32 watch, and I picked it up for $10 on the Amazon warehouse, because sometimes you just get lucky there. I haven't seen many deals that good on the OLEVS watches, but when I saw it, I said, you know what? I'm going to pick this one up just to do a review on it. Maybe I'll hate it because obviously somebody returned it, and it was so cheap. I figured, man, there's got to be something wrong with this watch. But again, I can't find anything wrong with it. I mean, for the price that you pay for these OLEVS watches, even if I had paid $32 for it, which is currently what it's listing for right now on Amazon, I would still be happy with this watch. I mean, I just don't know what to say about what else to say about these OLEVS watches. They're nice watches for the money. Um, Obviously, it's got the three working subdials again. Everything checks out on it. It all, um, I just, I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's a nice watch. It's stainless steel. It's supposed to be water resistant, but like I said, I haven't subjected it to any water. Um, but I really wanted to have a watch that I could say some bad stuff about. So I don't think I'm gonna find that with the OLEVS watches. The only thing that, like, I could say, like, if you've seen some of my other videos, the only thing I don't like, I'm not a huge fan of the butterfly clasp. I would much rather have a regular style clasp. But I see why they're doing it. It looks nice and sleek when you put it together. For me, I just think they're a little too sensitive. Sorry about the fingerprints on that, but these things are kind of like a fingerprint magnet. You know that. And there's what it looks like. I mean, it's a really sharp looking watch. It's got the gold around the bezel. They have a lot of different styles. If you click on the link that I show you below, you can get this in a lot of different colors. You can get the faces in different colors. There's a lot of different options for it, basically. but everything works on it nicely. It's got a nice solid band, nice classy looking with that silver and the gold. Just a really nice looking watch all around. I do love the way it fits on my wrist. Like I said, I just don't care for these butterfly clasps, but it does look nice. It fits well. It looks nice. It looks sharp and classy. And I I think this this might be a watch that's supposed to resemble one of the Rolex styles. I'm not sure which one. If you know which one, whether it's a Oyster Perpetual or a Datejust, or which Rolex watch this is supposed to pay homage to, just leave that in the comment below. Or if it's supposed to resemble another watch company manufacturer, is it supposed to resemble a Grand Seiko, or I don't know. Just let me know in the comments below if you think you've seen this watch before with the actual manufacturer, or if this is an OLEVS brand, if this is one of their own designs, which could be, but I'm not sure. So leave that in the comments below. Once again, if you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps out. Looking to get that subscriber count up, and also some traffic on these videos so I can keep them coming to you. I have about 20 watches being delivered today, so I'll be doing some reviews on those. They're more budget friendly watches. So yeah, once again, really big fan of this watch. I was hoping to try and find something I didn't like about it, but OLEVS has not disappointed me yet again. So if you're looking for a really nice quality, low budget friendly watch, click on that link below. Take a look at this style. There's many different colors to choose from. Just click on that link for me, and head on over to Amazon, and you can pick one of these up right now for about $32. So Dave the Watchman, I'm out. If you like the video, like and subscribe, ring the bell for the notifications, and hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Have a great day.